In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update categories in QuickBooks Online. We'll walk through this process step by step, making it easy and efficient for you to manage your QuickBooks categories without a hitch. Let's get started by heading over to QuickBooks Online. Open your web browser and type in the QuickBooks Online URL, or click on your bookmark if you have one. Once you're there, you'll see the home page of QuickBooks. Now in the top right corner, you'll notice a sign in button. Go ahead and click on that. This action will take you to the login page where you'll need to enter your credentials. Type in your email address along with your secure password. Make sure both are correct to avoid any login issues. Once you've filled out your credentials, click on the Sign In button. This step gets you access to your QuickBooks Online account, bringing you to your dashboard where you can manage your business financials. Next, let's navigate to the settings. In QuickBooks, settings is your gateway to numerous customization options, including managing categories. You can find it usually represented with a gear icon. Click on that and it will show you a drop-down menu. From this drop-down, look for products and services. Clicking here will lead you to a list that displays all your current product and service items. This page is crucial because it houses all the items you sell and any associated categories. Now you'll want to look for the More button. Sometimes it can be easy to miss, but keep your eyes peeled for it. It might be located at the bottom or the side of the products and services page. Click on More and a small menu will pop up. In this new menu, you'll see an option that says Manage Categories. Go ahead and click on that. This action will direct you to a new page specifically dedicated to managing your categories. Once you are in the category management section, find the category you wish to update. On the right hand side of each category, there should be an Edit button. Click on this to start making changes. You'll now be able to change the name of the selected category. Just type in the new name and make sure it's clear and relevant to your business needs. A helpful tip here is to keep your category names consistent with your overall accounting methods. After you've entered the new name, don't forget to save your changes. Click on the Save button and your updated category will be locked in. And that's it, you've successfully updated a category in QuickBooks Online. These steps will help keep your accounting records organized and precise. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial makes managing your QuickBooks categories a smoother experience.